Josh, what are you doing over here?
I'm making a movie request for this theater.
Today is a big day, and I'm really excited, and I'm a little nervous because today is the Geocaching International Film Festival. I'm hosting a film festival, a geocaching film festival inside a movie theater. And I'm really excited because myself and See My Shell, we have a finalist video that is in the reel. It is called If You Hide It, and I'm really excited for people to see it. Back in 2013, I won the very first Geocaching International Film Festival Audience Award. Here's the trophy. That was 12 years ago, and I have not submitted a video since. And I always thought if I submitted a video and it made the finals that I would host an event in a movie theater. But Truth Corner, I'm really, really nervous because the file I have for the film for the movie theater, there is not confirmation if it's actually going to work. I have 80 people showing up, and I'm so scared that that file is not going to work. Hopefully it works, fingers crossed. Let's go up to the Edina Mann Theatre and let's experience the film festival. Let's go. All right, I'm in the parking garage behind the theater, and I just spotted my co-host. Wow, it's Minnesota Boy. All right. Good morning. Good morning. All right, so 0% out of 100%, what are the chances that everything is gonna go swimmingly?
40%.
No, that's bad. That's bad. Come on, give me a little confidence.
Yeah, confidence. Okay, 80%.
99%. It's gonna be
99%.
fine.
All right.
It's gonna be fine. We are in front of the theater, Tim.
Yes.
The Edina Mann Theatre.
Look at this very cool marquee.
It's newly renovated. Are we on the marquee?
Not unless we're called Lost and Found in Cleveland or Downton Abbey.
Lost and Found in Cleveland, that kind of sounds like a geocaching movie.
I mean, Saturday Night Fever, Nuremberg. We got it all, baby.
We're in.
Yes.
We're in. The slushy machine's going.
Yep.
The popcorn's gonna start to be made. We're in theater number 1.
Yep, theater number 1.
What do you think? Have you been in here before?
I have not been in this theater before.
Yeah, it's all like remodeled and like nice. And
Yeah.
there's a bar upstairs.
They remodeled, but it's like old school looking.
I know.
You know,
it's
very old
really, really cool.
Love it.
So, how you feeling now? You were at 40%. Are you feeling a little bit more?
I'm probably up to 55%.
God, it's still not good.
I haven't seen the technical stuff yet.
Okay.
So when we see that, we'll get.
Yes.
But
so,
Zach, the guy that let us in,
yeah,
he was super great.
yeah, he's a nice guy. He acknowledged that this is stressful, that all this stuff. I've never done an official film festival at a theater before. So anyway, so fingers crossed. We're gonna test it out. We got people already outside waiting in the cold. It's 32 degrees.
Yes, it is. It's
Fahrenheit.
very chilly.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Tim, we're in. This is the first time I've seen this place, actually.
Yeah, this is very cool. Look at these lounge chairs.
Test them out. Look at, not only that, but look at the leg room. Look at the leg room. Oh, yeah. This is better than your living room, man.
Yeah.
This is so great.
This is going to be so...
Don't take a nap. All right, what's happening? Update. Update, what do you got?
Update, we are...
We're in the projection room.
projection room.
Wow, look at that thing. That's a beast.
It's amazing. We are setting up a laptop to be able to play the MP4 file.
Because the file that HQ gave
Because
us.
the file for theaters that they gave us doesn't work.
Yeah. So, thank you, Apple. Hopefully. And this is Zach. He's making all of our theater dreams come true. Look at this. Is intense. Got a computer. That's good. That's the view into the theater. Oh, this is good. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Another 10 seconds.
Yes.
Okay, another 10 seconds.
Tim, I'm gonna go downstairs and check the sound.
Okay.
I'm really excited because I'm seeing picture.
Oh, yeah.
I'm seeing picture.
Full screen.
Oh yes. Okay. I'm excited. All right, we have it running. It looks great on the screen, but we don't have sound yet. Please work. Yes! I'm hearing sound, but I don't see sound with the picture. Yes! It's working! It's working! Yes!
awesome, and it sounds great. Amazing. Yes.
What percentage are you at?
I'm at 99.5%.
Yes, there's the screen.
Because it hasn't happened yet, but we just tested it. We're running it off of my Apple laptop.
Yes, thank you.
MP4 file.
Awesome.
HDMI connection.
Yes.
We got the sound working. We are ready to go.
Okay.
Zach was very helpful.
Zach's the
Okay,
man.
He knew what to do.
Zach's the man.
Josh, what are you doing over here?
I'm making a movie request for this theater. This is where you do it.
Oh.
So I'm requesting the Geocaching Film Festival. Geocaching Film Festival. Do you think they'll bring it here?
Yeah.
I hope so.
I think today. Whoa, look at this lineup out here. What an excited crowd. Yeah. Oh, there we go. Now we're getting a little bit of action. All right. Are you first in line?
I am. First
Wow, when did you get here?
What time is it now? I got here 9 o'clock.
9 o'clock. All right, we'll be opening up in just a few minutes. We are getting ready to go. You guys excited about the film festival?
Yeah!
Wait till you see. Have you ever been in this theater before?
No!
Wait till you see this place. They got reclining like lounge chairs in there. It is amazing.
All right.
Yeah,
Nice.
it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll see you guys in a few minutes.
Yeah.
We'll be back.
8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's time to open up. It's showtime!
Come on in. Welcome. Good morning.
Hi.
Good morning.
Thank you. I know.
Come on in.
We're in theater number 1.
Welcome. Welcome. Theater number 1 is the one we're in.
Special path tag. Hey, special path tag. Collect them all.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Oops, sorry. Now I got my hands full. There you go. There you go.
Thank you.
Welcome. Good to see you. How are you? Good.
Good morning.
Good morning. Special path tag for the event.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank
Yep,
you.
You're welcome. Thanks for coming. Good, thanks. Yep, thanks for coming. Special path tag. All right, everybody, thank you for coming. Yeah. Without spoiling our film, if you hide it, it is featuring our good friend Trycacheous, and he is actually here with us today. There he is, right in the middle. Yes. It features Trycacheous and the amazing geocaching community that he has created up in North Dakota. So anyway, without further ado, thank you for being here. I'm going to do the thumbs up because they can't really hear me. Enjoy a GIFF 2025. Thanks for being here.
Yeah.
Slithering Stumblebone. The solution is simple. Get the Bison Buddy 5000 for your geocaching kit. Simply carry the buddy to the cache using the handy carrying strap.
Hey, can I ask you something? Is this heaven? No, it's Gilby.
Woo! The film festival is done. I think it was a big success, and we have somebody with us here. Oh my gosh, this is incredible. It is Chad Trycacheous, and I don't know if you knew this, but you actually won Best Actor. Look at it, it's a little Signal Oscar Award. Congratulations.
Well, thank you. I have so many people to thank.
Yeah. Yeah.
I can't think of anybody.
Oh yeah, that's okay. That's okay. Maybe you'll think of it later. That was really fun. It was fun to see your face on the big screen. What do you think? What do you think?
That was big. I don't know.
It was big.
I don't like seeing
big.
myself up on the big screen. I can tell you that much.
Well, I tell you, everybody, that you're the only one because everybody else loved it. So I'm so glad we didn't have like Tom Cruise play you. I'm glad we actually had you play you.
Yeah,
that was
been
fantastic.
My first pick, too.
Yes.
Yeah.
Awesome.
No, it was neat. I really thought it was fun doing the video and stuff
Yes.
like that. You guys did a great job. Craig,
you.
and his editing is pretty amazing.
Yeah,
so,
it's really cool.
Yeah, I appreciate you coming out and
Yeah.
supporting Gilby like you have.
Yeah. No, it's not hard to support. And I actually I made the film. I was a part of it. And when I heard, is this heaven? No, this is Gilby. It actually gave me like goosebumps a little bit. Because it's just, being there 4 times, just knowing how amazing it actually
Yeah.
is. It's based on a true story.
It is, yeah.
Do you really hear voices?
I don't know if I hear voices.
He
but I
dreams
do-
them.
But I do have dreams for making caches, for sure.
So,
Yeah.
geocaching of dreams. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Now what is your level of assurance? What percentage is it?
110%.
Yes!
It went so well.
It was a success.
The Edina Theatre helped out.
Yes.
Zach, the guy that was helping us out, awesome.
Yes.
Yeah.
Trycacheous was here.
Yep.
He gave me a little reward, a little signal award. That was really
Nice.
cool. And yeah, thanks to everybody. Shout out to See My Shall, who
Yep.
can be here,
Yeah,
who
thank you,
did
Craig.
a ton of work. Get to a GIFF event, and if you can see it in a theater, it's like a whole new experience.
It went so well. It went so well, and the sound and the video, everything was perfect.
Yeah. All right. Cool. Thanks
it.
for watching. We gotta get lunch now. I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
More than just popcorn.